Just don't know where to even begin. I have way too much crap. So hey there lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This was not the plan for my day off as I'm doing laundry and I just ordered more hangers and now I'm out of hangers. I guess I'm gonna be doing like a little closet detox and figured you guys might be interested in this. As you can see, I have a lot of clothes. A lot of shoes, a lot of purses. That's not even the whole stash. Yeah. I need to go through all this. So in case you are new here, lovelies, thank you for popping in to watch my little closet detox. I am Laura and it's so great to have you here. I do lots of different girly content. So, what I do when I get rid of these, I basically list them on my Poshmark. It's a free app. All you have to do is download it. You can then shop my closet, what I'm getting rid of. I'm really bad at this, like really bad. I like to wear my things maybe twice, 3 times tops, and then I'm just like over them. It's a really bad problem that I have and I'm trying to get better, but what I'm saying is if you see something that you like, don't worry because it's probably in really awesome condition. Please say I'm not alone in this. If it's not in front of your face, you forget you have it and then you don't wear it or use it, whatever it is, right? I have to figure out how to reorganize and what is just gonna be like out the door. Oh my gosh. Like this is just really overwhelming. I mean, okay, like I'm actually surprised. I did not think that this was going to fit me anymore. She might be a keeper. Cute, she still fits. Not really like digging the snake print vibe though for me, so posh it is. This cardigan, it's brand new. It's like a Free People look-alike situation. It's been hanging here for months since last year. So she's going. Okay, and like this cardigan is really cute, super chunky. It has like cute little heart pom-poms on the sleeves. Honestly, like never get to wear it, so she out. Including this little Gymshark terry cloth crop. She's going. Wore this Cruella tee like once. I'm just not like feeling it. Out the door. Adidas crop. No. Another Gymshark little crop. She's real cute, but I just never wear it. Like, I have so many Bendel bags back here and I just don't even know what they are anymore. Zara shirt is super cute. I love like the sheer little poof princess sleeve. I never grabbed to wear it, so out. Okay, I'm not selling this, but I just wanted to share it with you. I actually got my hands on the new Walt Disney World 50th Spirit jersey. This is one of those items where I absolutely love it. It's this really pretty sparkly Zara top with the little ruffles across the chest, but I never reached to wear her. This is so hard. I don't want to give her up though. This little blush pleated ruffle tank, I have gotten some wear out of her and I feel like it's just time for her to leave. Guys, I'm still like feeling overwhelmed even though I have a ton of hangers empty right now. I think it's just how it's organized. I like to go by color. I think I need to maybe try like, maybe I'll do like tanks color, tees color, long sleeves, sweaters, dresses. I don't know what it is. It's just something about it right now. I still am just like, I can't. This little tie-dyed, it's from VIDS Dolls, pink sweater. I just don't grab her anymore, so I think she's out the door. I bought this for a Sarah Sanderson little Gossip Girl photo shoot number. Super cute. I'm actually surprised that she still fits. She was a little hard to zip, not gonna lie. I just don't know. I like don't wear it. This is super cute. Again, another Zara top. I only wore it like maybe twice for 2 different photo shoots. I love her, but I know that she's not gonna fit my top half anymore. I used to love this one. She is so soft. It's from VIDS Dolls again, size small. I think it's like the colors. They're just like not my vibe. Kind of like the same thing. What am I, 80s? This is really cute Free People sweater. I love like the style. I just wish I would have went with my gut intuition and got like the cream because that's what I always wear. And instead I went with the gray because I don't own, or like I didn't own a lot of gray at the time, but I don't know. I'm trying to like NYX colors that I'm like not drawn towards. So what do you guys think? But honestly, I wore her like once. This is the infamous Barefoot Dreams Leopard Cardi. I wanted it in the cream, sold out, bought the gray, never wear it. Don't wear this. Whoa! My time in the gym for my booty gains have been an accomplishment. What are these? Hello Daisy Dukes. I cannot wear these. No. These are Blanc NYC and they're not terrible, but not my style. This is a Free People, cute little bohemian lace thing. Wore it once. No. Cute little Betsy Johnson, very like country vibe, western chic. I think it's actually just a little too big for me. She has halter straps here to tie it up then. Neon little crop jacket, very 80s. I think I'm gonna part with it though. Whew. Okay guys, as you can see, she's starting to get a little bit nicer. I've been reorganizing, trying different like layouts for probably at least an hour, and I finally feel like I might like this. I need to go through the leggings and sweatpants that are up here. So to start off with a few, we have the Gymshark Ombres I'm going through. Also sports bra, Gymshark, Carbon 38, Victoria's Secrets, and Gold Sheep. Definitely this is going to be a huge drop in my shop. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I actually might be doing a story sale as well, just to see what's easier. Follow me over there to make sure you know when I post this stuff. I have a whole little bin of flip-flops in here that I really honestly only wear like 2 pairs of, so gonna be going through those. I seem to have a obsession with cowboy boots. Definitely gotta go through these too. You can see that I have an abundance of Mickey ears as well. They, I think, need to find a new home. Maybe somewhere in storage because I don't use these every day. I definitely feel like I'll be making a video about my collection though, so don't worry. There's more leggings, there's Lululemon, there's Lorna Jane with this cute little star detail and mesh at the bottom of the leg. The matching set to the Baby Yoda Gold Sheep, more Gymshark Ombre, more Carbon 38 Takara leggings. Pretty much all smalls or maybe medium. Lots of black joggers, Whitney Simmons pair from her second collection with Gymshark. Lots of jackets, one of a kind. It's from a shop here in Orlando. It's Living the Dream with a rainbow diamond on the back. Brand new from the Cruella de Vil collection that launched from her universe. It's this leather coat. Her tags attached. Just don't wear. A few like Lululemon little cover up and like kind of like this cute little moto jacket that has like a ruffle little back detail. I have a lot of Dooney and Burks as well. This is the cute little Aristocat print that came out the other year. I bought it in every shape and form. All of the Frozen? I have all of the Frozen collection too. I should probably do like a whole Dooney and Burke collection. If you're interested in that, let me know down below. So that is going to be a wrap on this closet clean out for the day. If you enjoyed seeing some of my items that I own and that you're excited that I'm going to be selling, then make sure to hit the thumbs up. That way I know you enjoyed this style of video. Also, scroll down below into the little description box. I have my Poshmark listed there. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I always share when I put new listings on my Posh. I always share it to my Instagram story. If you lovelies made it this far, I would love it if you would just smash that subscribe button because any support you can give me, I just love you so much for it. So until next time, lovelies, stay lovely.